What's going on, guys? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. In this video, I want to talk about something that should make you think, okay? So as traders, we understand that we're going to win and lose trades. We already know that. So let me ask you the question. Why is it that when you lose a trade based on whatever strategy or edge that you're using, why is it that when you lose that one particular trade, it makes you emotional and it makes you upset and it makes you FOMO, or reverse the trade, or revenge trade, or double your size on the next trade? Why is it that one trade can do that to you if you already understand that no trader wins 100% of the trades taken? Okay, so ask yourself that question. What is the underlying issue that is going on with you as a trader, emotionally, psychologically, strategy wise, why you're getting upset about one particular trade? If anything, you should be excited about taking that loss. Now, again, this is going to go against a lot of the things that we've learned and been ingrained in our heads outside of trading, right? The harder you work, the more money you make. You know, the more you do, the more you get. You know, winning is everything. Especially if you come from a competitive background, you played sports even as a child. Even if you were little Johnny playing Little League and always made the all-star team, winning felt good. So losing doesn't feel so good. If we're losing, feels like we're not doing something right. If we're losing, makes us feel like an inferior, or, you know, or a sub, like the word I'm trying to look for is a, you know, makes us feel less of a good human, right? If we're losing. So what you really need to think about when it comes to taking trades and when it comes to losing trades is that your given strategy should be profitable over a series of, let's say, 20 to 100 trades. You can never really analyze one particular losing trade because it could just be a string of short-term losses in a grand scheme of an overall win. I would rather lose 2, 3, 4 times in a row to hit the next 10, 15 winning trades. That's going to bump the profitability up from negative scratch to now positive. So why is it that you neglect taking trade setups when the strategy and price action is giving it to you? You should be licking your chops every time your indicator says buy. You should be grasping at the opportunity to take the short position when your edge is setting up and giving you that short position. But why is it that you think that you're going to outsmart the market and outsmart your own system by sitting on the sidelines on this particular play because this one might not work because of what's going on and, you know, the price action? I feel that, you know, the market's got to bounce higher today. Then why even have a strategy? Your best bet is to almost sit back, close your eyes, flip a coin, have someone tell you if its heads go long, if its tails go short, because that's essentially what you're doing. Then there's no reason to even have a particular strategy if you're not going to take the trades when the strategy is giving you the opportunities to take the trades. You have to 1000% be all in on your method and your edge and your strategy and your psychology to come out on the other side. And how will you really ever know when you've mastered this process? How will you ever really know when you're going to be profitable? There will be a time, and a lot of traders never get to see this because they don't put in the time, but there will be a time where taking those trades becomes second nature and the outcome of that trade has no effect on what you do tomorrow, what you do on the next trade, and no effect on your end of the week, end of the month, end of the quarter, end of the year outcome. When you can sit and watch price action, understand, execute, identify the particular setup that you need to be taking based on your strategy, click buy, click sell, click buy, click sell to get in or out for profit, in or out for the loss. When you can do that and it becomes second nature, and you don't even think about the potential outcome. Well, if I take this trade right now, it's already down 30 points since, you know, yesterday's lows. If I take it, maybe I'm just chasing this trade. How do you know that the trade is not going to go another 100 points in your favor? You don't know. So if a trader, and nobody, I don't care who you listen to, nobody has a strategy, nobody has an edge, nobody has the inside tip to what particular setup is going to ever work or fail. So if nobody ever knows what is the next best thing that you can do, is come up with a game plan, come up with a strategy, risk management that's going to allow you to have an edge in the market to take trades when they arise, and give you a time to exit the trade for a loss, and give you a time to take profits. Every strategy should have an area to take profits, should have an area to hold a runner, should have an area to break even if the trade is profitable. Every strategy should have a reason and a means to an end to cut the trade because it's simply not working anymore. And as long as you have these things, now it's just about time. Now it's just about actually putting forth the effort to take the trades and give yourself that data to see what your profitability rate is. If someone told you that they had a shaved pair of dice and it's going to roll the number 7 6 times out of 10, and only you knew that, and every time you roll 10 times, it's going to roll 7 6 times in a row, would you go all in on those next 10 bets forever? Think about it. That's what having an edge should do for you. Do you care about the 1, 2, 3, 4 times that you're going to lose and not roll the 7? Of course not, because you know that you're going to be profitable by 1. If you roll the dice 10 times and you lose 4 times, and there's that 1 extra time over 5 where you make money, wouldn't you go all in 10 times in a row? And just keep repeating that process and cycle of 10 trades and 10 trades and 10 trades and 10 rolls and 10 rolls and 10 rolls. I really want to get you guys to open up your minds and think about this. But a lot of times traders are trying to make money too quickly. They're trying to put on size that they're not ready for. They're trying to take trades here, there, everywhere. They're trying to guess and reverse the market. Uh-oh, this trade didn't work, but the price action's going higher. Let me reverse my trade. Oh no, I just got trapped. Now it's coming back down through my level. Let me go ahead and take that trade once more. Uh-oh, now it only went down a little bit, and now I'm still caught in a trade double backed. I want you guys to really focus on what it actually takes to become a profitable trader and do those things each and every single day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.